Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rocky road. Let's begin. So to get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a microwavable safe bowl, then place in your butter and golden syrup, then place this in the microwave for around 2 to 3 minutes or until the mixture is completely melted and it should be a little bit bubbly. In another bowl you can go ahead and add in your broken biscuits. I had a broken biscuit selection box which I picked up randomly and just used those. Add in the marshmallows and fold these all together so they're all fairly distributed throughout each other. Then go ahead and into another bowl, add in your chocolate, both the milk and dark, and at this point your butter and golden syrup mixture should be hot. Pour that over the chocolate and allow it to sit for around a minute, and after a minute it should all be starting to melt. You can then give it a good whisk together and it should be very smooth, but slightly thickened, but very smooth to work with, and it should come together. You don't want a trace of the melted butter or the golden syrup, so just keep whisking until you've got the perfect consistency. You can then go ahead and add the chocolate mixture to the biscuit and marshmallow mixture, and make sure the mixture isn't too hot, otherwise it will melt the marshmallows and it will make a real mess. Just fold everything together until the chocolate is coated with the biscuits and marshmallows, and you want to get a good coating. There's a good amount of chocolate in there, so just keep mixing and folding until everything is coated, a bit looking like this. Then grab yourself a 9x13 inch cake pan which has been lined with parchment paper and pour that mixture into a pan. You may think, well, why are you using a 9x13? It's because this recipe works really well for this. You don't want it to be super high because it's quite a messy treat. So then just spread and level it out as best as you possibly can. It won't be perfectly level as it's a rocky road and it should be inconsistent and just, bumpy. Here is what it looks like up close. I will then place this into the fridge to chill for around at least a minimum of an hour and a half, but I like to leave mine overnight. So the following day, here is what mine looked like. I just take the parchment from the side and then decide to cut it up. However you want to cut it up is up to you, as this is very rich and indulgent. You don't need such a big piece, and you may need a sharp knife to cut through it, as this can be a little bit tough to cut up. But here you are. That's how I cut mine up into these big portions, but you could halve these and still have far too much. It's a very generous amount for if you're giving it away to friends or family or even selling it yourself. Here is what it looks like. Well, one part of it. You can see the marshmallow and biscuit and a lot of chocolate, which is what you want, isn't it? And there you go. You can see the cross section has got, it's studded with biscuits and marshmallows. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. And I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, and links to my blog, and links to my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.